Okra, also known as lady's fingers, is a vegetable commonly found in tropical regions. It's widely used in various cuisines, and its nutritional value makes it an excellent addition to your diet. It is available in different sizes, with smaller pods being more tender and flavorful than the larger ones. This vegetable can be eaten raw or cooked, and is often used in stews, soups, and curries. Okra is packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and calcium. It's also rich in fiber and antioxidants that help fight against various diseases. To prepare okra water, you'll need to slice the okra into small pieces and soak them in water overnight. The water will become slimy and thick, which is normal, and you can drink it as it is or add it to your smoothies or juices. In this video, we will explain the benefits of drinking okra water and how to maximize its effectiveness. 1. May lower blood sugar levels. If you are looking for a natural way to manage your blood sugar levels, then drinking okra water may be just what you need. Okra contains a compound called polysaccharides that can help reduce blood sugar levels. The polysaccharides in okra help slow down the absorption of sugar in the intestines. This means that sugar is released into the bloodstream more slowly, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Okra water can also help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to use insulin to lower blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. 2. May improves heart health. Okra water is known to contain high levels of soluble fiber, which is excellent for maintaining heart health. The soluble fiber helps to lower the bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and regulate blood pressure. Lowering cholesterol levels is important in reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, the potassium content in okra water helps to reduce the stress on blood vessels and arteries, further contributing to maintaining a healthy heart. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 3. May help with pregnancy. Okra water can also be beneficial for pregnant women. This is because it is a great source of folate, which is a type of B vitamin that is essential for healthy fetal development. Folate helps to reduce the risk of birth defects and neural tube defects in the baby. Additionally, okra water is also rich in vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system and aids in the absorption of iron, another important nutrient during pregnancy. 4. May reduce inflammation. Okra water has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a valuable addition to any diet. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, okra water helps to prevent these health issues and can also relieve symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. One of the key compounds in okra water that contributes to its anti-inflammatory properties is quercetin, a natural antioxidant. Quercetin helps to neutralize free radicals in the body, which can cause inflammation and damage to cells. 5. Helps with digestion. Okra water is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to improve digestion. This is because it is rich in dietary fiber, which helps to regulate the digestive system and prevent constipation. When consumed regularly, okra water can help to improve bowel movements, reduce bloating and gas, and even prevent colon cancer. Additionally, okra water contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and soothes the digestive tract. This can help to alleviate symptoms of acid reflux, ulcers, and other digestive issues. Mucilage also acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut and improving overall gut health. 6. Boosts skin health. In addition to the numerous benefits okra water provides for our internal health, it can also work wonders for our skin. The vitamins and nutrients present in okra water help to boost skin health and keep it looking youthful and radiant. One of the most significant benefits of okra water for our skin is its ability to prevent and reduce the appearance of acne. Acne is often caused by excess oil and dirt on our skin, which can lead to clogged pores and inflammation. The antioxidants present in okra water work to eliminate harmful toxins from our skin and keep our pores clean and clear, thus reducing the likelihood of acne. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you never miss a video. We wish you all the best for your health and well-being.